In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the API MS Core.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is you have to check your system type. So you need to go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Any of the browser that you have. In the search bar, type for the missing DLL. Put download. Hit enter. And then click on it under the first result. Scroll down and you have to click on the download button that is depending on your system type. And once downloaded, just simply click on the folder icon. Wait for this to load. And then just simply make a right click, select extract all, click on extract, copy the DLL file, right click, select copy, and then go to this PC. Double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the W section and look for the Windows folder. Scroll down to the S section. Here you can find System 32. So if you are a 64-bit Windows, go to System 32. And if you are a 32-bit, go to SYSWOW 64. So we are a 64-bit, so we need to go to System 32. Right click and then select Paste. Click on Continue. Once done, just simply close it. And then right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Also, do not forget to update your Windows. So click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update. And simply click the button right here to check for all the updates on your Windows. And once you're updated, then good. So that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.